The CPU and the fan are located on the right under the lid. But first of all, make sure you disconnected the AC adapter and remove the battery. This plug was pretty hard to unplug, and actually it is not mandatory. By the way, subscribe to the channel before you are busy. To remove the fan, you have to unscrew a few screws. I am finished with 2 or 3 screws. The third one is a little one. I'll get back to it later. You have to be attentive here. There are marks here in which order you have to unscrew. Unplug the fan wires. And here is the third tiny screw that I forgot about. Here we got a solid layer of dust, which we have to clean. And this used to be thermal paste years ago. I use medical alcohol to remove hardened thermal paste. Old thermal paste was solid like rock. It took a while to get rid of it. Hard work pays off. Finally, we have no residue of old solid thermal paste left. The fan needs to be squeaky clean as well. Remove 3 small screws in order to take the fan apart. When everything is cleaned out, it's time to apply new thermal paste. Neatly install the cooling system back. And don't forget about the order to screw in the screws. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button down below the video.